Hello guys, I'm Bytnex. Just a quick message here to let you know that Bytnex have dropped a message in the back office saying that there will be a maintenance between 15th and 22nd of November. So your Bytnex account will be unavailable between these dates. So please do not try to make any deposit. Do not try to make any withdrawal within these days. Okay. So allow the maintenance to complete after 22nd of November. If we get any further update from Bytnex that all the work they are doing is completed, then we can go back on and transact either deposit or withdraw. Okay. I just want to let everybody know, especially those in my team and those that have just registered and they are trying to make attempts to deposit. Please hold off just now, because on the 12th that they did a little maintenance when this website was offline for a few hours. I tried to make a deposit before the maintenance for on the 12th started. I was able to generate my deposit address. I went to my Binance to deposit $1,013, but that money has not reflected yet. Okay, so I have written to support to tell them that my money has not been deposited into my dashboard. So please just be aware of this. Don't try to deposit when they are doing maintenance. Okay, just to be on a safe side. Okay, but I just want to show you the information that they put on the notice that they put in the back office. So this is the notice that they put that they said Bytnex maintenance database wallet update from November 15th, 2025 to November 22nd, 2025. Urgently needed database adjustment will be carried out. To avoid errors, your Bytnex wallet will be unavailable during this time. Support is available at any time at request@bytnex.support. Thank you for your understanding. So please, guys, do not put in for withdrawal. If you have a bonus commission from your referrals to withdraw, don't withdraw. Wait until after 22nd of November when the maintenance is completed. Then you can put in a withdrawal. If you have just registered or if you are an existing member and you want to deposit to activate a contract, hold off just now until after 22nd of November. You can then deposit once they finish the maintenance. Okay, this is my advice and this is my recommendation to avoid your money not reflecting on your dashboard. As you can see, my $1,013 that I deposited on the 12th of that I sent from my Binance to my Bytnex account is not reflected. You can see it's only 100, and this is just my referral commission. It's not my deposit that I have made. Now, as I said in this video, I generated that deposit address from Bytnex here. I copied the address and went to my Binance to send that money, right? And then after sending the money went through successfully on the blockchain in my Binance account. But when I log back in, okay, now immediately I finished generating the address and I went to send the money. When I was sending the money from my Binance, the website now went offline. So they came back the way you are looking at it just now. They are back, right? But my $1,013 deposit is not reflecting yet. Okay, so it is because of the maintenance. When they go offline, you try to do something and it doesn't work, so you have to come back to support, and the support system is very poor. They take time to respond. So just to be on the safe side, do not deposit, do not try to make withdrawal from the 15th of November until 22nd of November. That is the information there, as you can see, right inside the dashboard, right inside your back office. Okay, so this is not like it's coming from one leader or one super leader. This is right in your back office. So they try this time to improve in communication, because the one they did on the 12th, okay, of November, there was no communication that they were going to go offline. Okay, so that is why my money is hanging, and I believe I won't be the only person that their money is hanging somewhere, right? But I know that they are going to sort it out. Okay, once everything is done, they will sort it out. My $1,013 deposit will appear. I believe so. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and let's not make any more deposit or withdrawal within these days. Okay. Once the site is fully back, I will record another video to let you guys know that the site is fully back. All right. So guys, thank you and God bless.